What's up, peeps? Welcome back to another math vid. Today we're going to be looking at some more mean, median, and mode. So our first question today is, the table below shows the time it took 4 different runners from 4 different countries to run 100 meters. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. In personal experience, I actually take 16 seconds to run, so now I feel really pathetic. So this is our chart here. Our first question, actual question today is, what is the mode of this set of data? As we know, mode is the number that appears the most. But at this point, we don't even need to check anything else because it only gives us 4 answer choices. And there's obviously more than 4 numbers in here that are not the same. So basically, following that same logic, we just need to find which one appears the most of all of these 3. So 10, this one doesn't have any. This one has 2. This one doesn't have any. That one doesn't have any. So 10, okay, that doesn't look very sloppy. Okay, so 10 only has 2. 9.8, this one has 2. This one has 1, and this one has 1. This one has none, so this is 4. And at this point, we know that basically 10 is already out. But we have to keep looking just in case. So we've got none in this one, none in this one, none in this one, 2 in this one. So 9.7 is the same as 10. And 9.5, none in this one, none in this one, 2 in this one, and 1 in that one. So this one's 3. And 2, 4, 2, 3, 4 is obviously the greatest. So the correct answer is B. And so, moving on to our next question. In seconds, what is the median time it took the runners from the United States to finish the race? We're looking here at median. And as we remember, in median, it's basically the number or numbers that are in the middle. When it's an even amount of numbers, it's the 2 middle numbers added together divided by 2. If it's an odd number, it's basically just still the middle number. So we have to put them out into smallest to greatest, or greatest to smallest, does not matter. So we've got 9.3, 9.7, 9.8, and 10. And obviously, these 2 middle ones are 9.7 and 9.8. And we don't even need to solve it anymore. It has to be more than 9.7, but less than 9.8. There's only one answer choice that matches those 2 standards, which is B. Moving on to our last question. What is the average amount of time in seconds it took for runners with label C to finish the race? Let's look at the people who finished at label C first. We've got this column, basically. 9.8, 9.5, 9.5, and 9.2. There's a little trick here instead of adding them all up. We can instead move 0.3 from column 1, 0.5 afterwards, and we can move it to the last column to make them all 9.5. And so, now that we are all 9.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 is obviously still 9.5. It's like nothing had ever happened. So, the correct answer is B. And so, yeah, I hope this vid helped you guys learn at least a bit more about math. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!